How to insert picture watermarks in Google Docs. So in this video tutorial I'm going to show the perfect process. So at the end, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let me start the video. Okay guys, so here we are. This is my Google Docs. So I have some sample page here. So let me show you how you can insert the watermark now. So here, go to the top and click on this insert option and just come down, and here you can see the option called page elements. Just keep cursor on this. Now this option will be enabled. Now go to the watermark. This sidebar will be open like this. So you can upload the image, and you can also enter the text here to insert as a watermark. Okay, so now we are going to learn about image only. So just go to the image. Now you need to select the image from your computer. Just click on this select image. Now you can also take the link from other, or you can take the photo from Google Photo and Drive. So we need to now we are going to upload only from computer only. Just click here upload and click and browse. Okay, so I have some sample image here, so I just take one image from Google, from YouTube. Okay, so this is my YouTube icon. Now you can see this icon has been inserted. The scale, you can select the 50%, or as you can keep as auto, or make sure you can take any scale as per your requirement and make it is a faded. Okay, more image option, you can go to the more option. From you can increase the opacity, brightness, contrast. You can also recolor, position also you can change like this, or you can also make a reset if you don't like the changes, and just come back, and just you can also remove the watermark from here. Okay, after all done, just click on done options. Now from here also you can decrease this size. Make sure the watermark should be selected. Now if you click outside, the watermark selection will be disabled. If you want to edit again, you need to go again here to element. Okay, go to the more option. Now again it will be select. Now you can move from here. After just done. Okay, so this is how you can insert the image watermark in Google Docs. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.